Your McDonald's app just got better. You can now place your order directly on the app with just a few taps. Simply download the app or log in. Tap on the order icon at the bottom of your screen and select the restaurant from where you would like to place your order from the map. I'll choose the MIA restaurant. Depending on the time you are ordering, you will either be shown the breakfast menu from 7 to 10 a.m. or the day menu from 10 a.m. till closing time. Select the products you would like to order. For example, I'm clicking on the Meals section to choose the Big Tasty Bacon, and I'm choosing McMenu as size of the meal for large fries and drink. Tap Next. Select your preferred side item. You can also customize the fries to have it without salt seasoning. Once you've chosen your option, tap Next again. Select the drink you would like. Tap Next. Review your meal, and if everything is to your liking, tap Add to Bag. You can now either add more products to your order and repeat the process, or you can go to your order cart by tapping Checkout Now. You can review all products added to your order and the total price. You can still edit any products in your cart or add more products by tapping Order More. Once you're good to go, tap Select Pickup. You now have options on how to collect your food depending on the restaurant selected. The options are counter, drive-thru, table service, or curbside. Drive-thru and curbside are only available at our restaurants in Nasha and at MIA restaurant. If you select counter, you will be prompted to confirm the restaurant and proceed with payment and head to the counter to pick up your order once it is ready. If you opt for drive-thru, choose your preferred drive-thru restaurant, either Nasha or MIA, and settle the payment. On arrival, simply give the order number to our crew at the customer ordering device and then proceed to the last window to collect your order. If you select table service, you will need to enter the table number, confirm the restaurant, settle payment, then sit back and relax. Our crew will bring the order to your table. If you plan to use the curbside option, find an available parking bay reserved for curbside at Nasha or MIA car parks. Enter the number of that parking slot, confirm the restaurant one last time, settle the payment, and your order will be delivered to your car once ready. It's that simple. So, what would you like to order today?